how cryptocurrency works. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we are going to talk about something very interesting, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that you can use online. It is different from the money we usually use like dollars or euros because it only exists on the internet. In this video, I will explain how cryptocurrency works. I will break down complex ideas into simple terms so everyone can understand. Let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Now let's dive deeper into what cryptocurrency really is. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money. You cannot see it, touch it, or hold it like cash. It exists only on the internet. One important thing to know is that cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means no single person, bank, or government controls it. Instead, it operates on a technology called blockchain. We will talk more about blockchain later. Unlike traditional money, which is printed and regulated by governments, cryptocurrency is created and transferred electronically. Now let's look at some popular examples of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. This is the first and most famous cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 and is often called digital gold. Ethereum. This cryptocurrency is known for its smart contracts, which allow developers to build applications on its platform. Litecoin. This is similar to Bitcoin but allows for faster transactions and lower fees. These are just a few examples, but there are many other cryptocurrencies out there. Understanding these terms will help you as we explore more about cryptocurrency. What is blockchain? Now let's talk about the technology that makes cryptocurrency work. Blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital notebook. Imagine you have a notebook that keeps a record of every transaction. Each page in this notebook is called a block. When one page fills up with information about transactions, a new page is created. But here's the important part. Each page is connected to the one before it. This forms a chain of pages, which is why we call it a blockchain. Now, what does each block contain? Each block records important information like who sent money, who received money, and how much was sent. This information is not just stored anywhere. It is stored on many computers around the world. This makes it very hard for anyone to change or delete information once it's recorded. One of the biggest benefits of blockchain is its security. Because every transaction is linked and recorded across many computers, it is almost impossible to hack. If someone tries to change a block, it will not match the others in the chain. This keeps the information safe and trustworthy. So, to sum it up, blockchain is like a secure digital notebook that records transactions in a way that makes it very difficult to alter or tamper with the data. Understanding blockchain is key to understanding how cryptocurrency works. How do people get cryptocurrency? Now that we understand what cryptocurrency and blockchain are, let's talk about how people actually get cryptocurrency. The most common way to acquire cryptocurrency is by purchasing it through exchanges. Exchanges are online platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's similar to a stock market but for digital money. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase and Binance. On these platforms, you can create an account, deposit your regular money like dollars or euros, and then use that money to buy cryptocurrencies. Another way to get cryptocurrency is through mining. Mining is like solving a puzzle. People use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they successfully solve a problem, they create a new block in the blockchain. As a reward for their work, miners earn cryptocurrency. This process helps keep the blockchain secure and functioning. So to recap, you can get cryptocurrency by purchasing it on exchanges or by mining it through solving puzzles. Both methods have their own advantages and challenges. How do people use cryptocurrency? So you've got some cryptocurrency. What can you actually do with it? One of the most common uses is for online purchases. More and more online stores are starting to accept cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin as payment. The process is usually straightforward. When you're at the checkout, you'll see an option to pay with cryptocurrency. If you select this, the website will provide a QR code or a wallet address. You then use your crypto wallet on your phone or computer to send the payment. Another great use for cryptocurrency is sending money internationally. Traditional methods like wire transfers can be slow and expensive, often with high fees. Cryptocurrency transactions can be faster and have lower fees, making them a great option for sending money to friends and family abroad. For example, let's say you want to send money to a friend in another country. Instead of using a bank, you can send them cryptocurrency directly to their wallet. The transaction is processed quickly and the fees are typically much lower. While not every business accepts cryptocurrency directly, you can also use gift cards. Several platforms allow you to purchase gift cards from major retailers using cryptocurrency. You can then use these gift cards to shop at those retailers even if they don't directly accept crypto. Some popular gift cards include Amazon, Apple, and Walmart. So whether it's buying things online, sending money internationally, or using gift cards, there are many practical ways to use cryptocurrency in your daily life. Benefits of cryptocurrency. Now that we've covered what cryptocurrency is and how it works, let's discuss some of the key benefits of using it. First up is decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means no single entity has control over your money. For example, if you want to send money to a friend in another country, you don't need to go through a bank that might take days to process your transaction. You can send it directly without any middleman, giving you more freedom and control over your funds. Next, let's talk about security. Cryptocurrency transactions are secure and rely on advanced cryptography. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making it very difficult for hackers to compromise. Imagine you're making an online purchase. With cryptocurrency, your payment details aren't shared with the vendor, reducing the risk of fraud. It's like paying with cash instead of giving out your credit card information. Finally, we have speed. Cryptocurrency transactions can be processed in minutes, regardless of where you are in the world. Traditional bank transfers can take days, especially for international payments. Picture this: you're at a concert and want to buy a ticket from someone. With cryptocurrency, you can pay them instantly, while a bank transfer might take longer and involve extra fees. In summary, the benefits of cryptocurrency include decentralization, enhanced security, and fast transactions. These advantages make it an attractive option for many people today. Risks of cryptocurrency. While there are many benefits to using cryptocurrency, it's important to also recognize the risks involved. First, let's talk about volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly. One day, Bitcoin might be worth $80,000, and the next day it could drop to $100,000. This volatility can lead to significant potential losses for investors who aren't prepared. Imagine you invest a large amount and the value drops overnight. It can be a stressful situation, so it's crucial to understand that while there is potential for profit, there's also a chance of losing money. Next, we have security risks. Although blockchain technology is secure, cryptocurrency wallets can be vulnerable to hacking. If someone gains access to your wallet, they can steal your funds. It's essential to secure your wallet with strong passwords and to consider using hardware wallets, which store your cryptocurrency offline and provide extra protection. Finally, I want to emphasize the need for caution. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's vital to do thorough research. Many projects can be scams or have hidden risks that aren't immediately obvious. Take your time, understand the market, and invest only what you can afford to lose. In summary, while cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities, it also comes with risks related to volatility, security, and the need for careful research. Types of wallets. Now that we've discussed risks, let's talk about how to store your cryptocurrency safely. This is where cryptocurrency wallets come into play. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive your cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a bank account for your digital money. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They are very user-friendly and allow for quick transactions. However, because they are online, they are more vulnerable to hacking. Examples include mobile apps and web-based wallets. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline storage options. These include hardware wallets and paper wallets. While they are more secure from online threats, they can be less convenient for everyday transactions. When choosing a wallet, consider your needs. If you plan to trade frequently, a hot wallet might be best for you due to its convenience. If you want to hold your cryptocurrency for a long time and prioritize security, a cold wallet is the way to go. Also, remember to back up your wallet and keep your private keys safe. Losing access to your wallet can mean losing your cryptocurrency permanently. In summary, understanding the types of wallets and choosing the right one is essential for safely storing your cryptocurrency. Popular cryptocurrencies 2025. Now let's take a look at some of the most popular cryptocurrencies in 2025. Each of these has unique features that set them apart. First up is Bitcoin. It's the original cryptocurrency, created in 2009. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its limited supply and value. It remains the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency in the world. Next, we have Ethereum. What makes Ethereum special is its ability to support smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This allows for complex applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Then there's BNB, which stands for Binance Coin. BNB was created by the Binance Exchange and is known for being a faster alternative to Bitcoin with lower transaction fees. It's widely used for trading on the Binance platform and has gained popularity for various applications. Finally, we have Ripple. Ripple focuses on facilitating international payments. Its unique technology allows for quick and cost-effective cross-border transactions, making it a favorite among banks and financial institutions. In summary, Bitcoin is the pioneer, Ethereum drives innovation with smart contracts, BNB offers speed and efficiency, and Ripple excels in international payments. Each of these cryptocurrencies plays a significant role in the digital finance landscape. Understanding smart contracts. Next, let's dive into smart contracts, a key feature of certain cryptocurrencies, particularly Ethereum.
So, what are smart contracts? Simply put, a smart contract is a self-executing agreement with the terms of the contract written directly into code on the blockchain. This means that once the conditions of the contract are met, the agreement automatically executes without the need for a middleman. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine you hire someone to build a website for you. You agree to pay them $1,000 once the website is completed. With a smart contract, you could set up a contract on the blockchain that specifies, when the website is completed and the client confirms approval, release $1,000 to the developer. As soon as the developer finishes the website and you give your approval, the smart contract automatically executes and transfers the payment. There's no need for either party to manually handle the transaction, reducing the risk of disputes or delays.
This automation and transparency are what make smart contracts so powerful. They can be used in various fields from finance to real estate, ensuring trust and efficiency in transactions. In summary, smart contracts are self-executing agreements on the blockchain that automatically enforce the terms once conditions are met, making transactions more reliable and efficient. Conclusion. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered today about cryptocurrency. We learned that cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that operates on blockchain technology. It offers several benefits, including decentralization, security, and fast transactions. However, it's important to remember the risks, such as volatility and potential security vulnerabilities. Before you consider investing in cryptocurrency, I encourage you to do your own research. Understand the market, the specific coins, and the technology behind them to make informed decisions.